Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I'm going to show you how you enable and disable the eco mode in your car. This is what we call the eco mode light there. And you first need to turn your car on. Okay. Remember, eco mode helps in fuel efficiency and economy. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we enable and also disable this option. Okay. So it's very easy. Just watch with me. So I'm going to my buttons on the steering here. So I'm going to press there. You can see the EFS. You can see eco mode. You can see the EV option. So I'm going to press on the eco mode. And if I press it OK, you can see it has turned green. That means it's on. And if I press it off, you can see it has disappeared the eco mode. And back to on. So that's how you basically turn it on and off. Remember to subscribe. This is Kevin Auto Insider.